In this video I will show you how can you generate images or picture from Wix. So at first you need to go to the plus element, add element, you need to go to image and then upload and import, and then you can see here AI image creator. So let me write here what I will write, and horse in the sky. Let's see what happened. Wow, and horse in the sky. Okay, and a girl in office with a laptop. Laptop. Let's see what happened. Okay, it's a cartoon. Real. What's a real? Okay, let's see what happened. Wow, that's very great. A girl in sky with a laptop, real picture. Let's see what happened. Wow. Okay, then a girl in sky with a fish. AI can create anything. Okay, a girl in sky with a fish. As I have wrote here fish, that's why here is the water. Let me write some workable things like as website, contact page, banner picture with a office. Let's see what happened. Office with a man, real picture. Wow, that's great. So we can use that picture on our website contact page. So if you want to use that image, you just need to click use image, and then the ratio you may resize it from here as well. You can do whatever done by Wix Photo Studio, and then you may click it save, and then it will be uploaded on Wix. Let's see, it's uploaded in Wix. Now if you want to download this picture on your computer, then you just need to go to the plus icon again and then upload images, and then you need to go to from here the site file, and then you need to click here the 3 dot button, and then you need to click download, and then you can download the picture on your computer. Let's see the quality, 991 KB, so it's a high quality picture. Let's see it how it's look. Wow, it's great. A good picture we have generated with AI in free. Okay, so look like that way you can generate the picture, the AI picture from Wix for free. Thank you so much.